Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can find all the different trash or recycle bins on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on battery and device care. Next, tap on storage. Then go down and you will see there is a trash section. In here, it will show you all the trash for all the apps that you have used. So in gallery, there is a trash bin for gallery. For my files, there is a trash bin for my files, and there is also a trash bin for calendar. Now, if you want to view all the files in the gallery trash bin, you can tap on that, and here it will show you all the files that is stored in the trash bin. It is similar to open up the gallery and then tap on the menu key and then tap on trash. It will show you all the trash files from the trash bins in gallery. So by looking at the trash in settings, it will show you all the different trash bins in one location, so you can quickly determine which trash bin you can empty and which one you decide to keep. So for example, if in my files in here, I can tap on the option key at the top and I can tap on empty, and this will delete all the items in the trash bin for the files app only. So you can see here it has deleted the trash bin from the files from the My Files app, but I still have items in the gallery and calendar trash bin. And that's it. That is how you can find your trash bins on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.